Okay, have you ever been told by someone to clear your browsing cache or clear your cookies, clear your cache when you're trying to access a website's information and perhaps the information that you're viewing is different to the information that they're viewing? Well, we're going to show you how to clear your browser cache on the three most commonly used browsers, Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, as well as Microsoft Edge. So just a brief overview of what a caching actually is. So browser caching is a technique that's used to speed up the loading of web pages by storing copies of files, such as the image files on that website and other scripting files, on your local computer when you visit the website. So the way it would work is something like this. You would visit a website for the first time. Your browser would download all of the resources from that website, so the images, the styling, all of that kind of stuff on the page. And then the next time you visit that same website, rather than you having to actually talk to the network and grab that information again, your browser actually serves it from its own local storage. So it means that the website will load very quickly for you on subsequent visits. The downside to that is that if the website makes changes in between when your browser has cached or taken local copies of those resources, then you may still be seeing the cached resources instead of the live resources on the website. And at times that might result in you seeing older information on a website, whereas someone else may be seeing more up-to-date information. So first of all, we're going to clear the cache on Microsoft Edge. So we'll open up the Edge browser and we'll click the three dots in the top right hand corner and we're going to select Settings. Once those settings have loaded, we're going to select Privacy, Search and Services here on the left hand side, and we're going to scroll down ever so slightly. We're going to, under Clear Browsing Data, we're going to choose Clear Browsing Data Now. We'll say choose what to clear. In this case, for this example, we're going to just clear cookies and other site data, as well as cached images and files. You can also, in the same process, clear your browsing history and or download history, as well as passwords and autofill informations and things like that. But for the sake of this example, we'll just be clearing the cookies and the cached images and files. So we'll click Clear Now. So clearing the cache on Firefox, we're going to open up the Firefox browser. Not now, we're going to bring it up full screen. We're going to see the three white lines at the top right hand side. Click that and select Settings. We're then going to select Privacy and Security on the left hand side. Scroll down ever so slightly and choose Clear Data. In this case, it gives us cookies and site data as well as cached web content to clear, already pre-ticked. We're going to click the Clear button. And we're then going to click Clear Now on the prompt. Clearing your cache on Chrome, we're going to open up Google Chrome and to select the three dots vertically on the right hand side, and we're going to choose Settings. As you can see, these are all quite similar. We're going to choose Privacy and Security on the left hand side, and pretty much the first one off the pop is Clear Browsing Data. We'll select that and we'll select Clear Data. In here we can choose the time range, so we can clear the data from all time or just in the last hour. That's up to you, but generally clearing the cache, you just have to do that once, and the next time you visit the site you'll see the most up-to-date information. So click Clear Data. And there you have it. That's how you clear your cache on various browsers. That means the next time you visit that website, you'll be talking back to the server and grabbing that information from the site and grabbing those site resources as if it's the first time that you're viewing it, making sure that you're seeing the most up-to-date information on the website.